How to download a video or image from Google Drive to iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we will show you how you can download a video or image from Google Drive. This process is a little simpler on Android phones because Apple takes a lot of care about the security of its users. However, this option is still available, just slightly hidden. First, we will open our Google Drive. In our drive we will find the video or picture we want to download. I will choose this video. When the video is loaded, tap on the three dots located in the upper right part of the screen. In the pop-up window, we will find the Open an option from the many options and tap on it. We will wait for the application to prepare the video. When the application has successfully loaded the video, in the pop-up window we will find the option Save to File and tap on it. A new window will ask us to select the location where we want to download the video. I will select the Downloads folder and click on the Save button located in the upper right part of the screen. Our video has now been taken down. To check it, we will go to the File Manager on our phone and open the folder where we saved the video. As you can see, the video is here. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Google Drive tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.